Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. I was in one of my favorite stores the other day and I ran across this All-Clad cast iron skillet with lid, and I thought it was a really good value for it. And I did check online at some of the other major retailers and I know I got a good deal on this. I'll put a link in the description box below where I ran across this. Let's start opening this up and see what we've got inside. All right, so this is from All-Clad. This is their 12-inch cast iron skillet with lid, and it says built to last, extra wide handles, and effortless cleaning and cooking. And we'll see if there's anything else here on that side. I don't see anything else on that. Don't see anything on the sides that's relevant to it. So let's turn it over on the bottom because there was some good information on that. And let's take a look at that and see what we've got. So we've got our cast iron skillet here, and it does say that this has a stainless steel lid on it, which is really nice. It retains moisture and heat for delicious slow cooked meals. It says it's built to last. It says it's oven safe up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. That is really high. I know my oven don't go that high, but some of you might have one that does get to that temperature. And it says it is compatible with cooktop, including induction. Extra wide handles on it for easy, firm grips with oven mitts. Effortless cooking and cleanup. It has a glossy enameled exterior and interior on it. It says care and use here, wash with warm water, dish detergent, and a sponge. Safe for gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Silicone, nylon, plastic, and wooden utensils only. Limited lifetime warranty. Let's see what's in the box. Right, let me get me some scissors here and cut this tape on the front of it. All right, so it's just got some extra packing materials here on the side. This is our lid. So let me get my scissors back here and we'll get that opened up. So I own several pieces of All-Clad. I like the weight and the quality and the texture of those, of the stainless steel pieces they've got. And this lid on this looks just like some of the other pieces they've got. It's got the nice rivets on it and the handle here. Nice weight on this lid. We'll get a weight on that and some measurements here in just a minute. After seeing this in the store, I didn't realize that they had cast iron skillets until I saw this one. So this was kind of a shock to me when I saw that. So let's take a look at this. This is a nice weight on this skillet. This is wanting me to register my product that I've got here. So we're definitely going to do that. Now let's take a look at this and see what we've got here under this. All right, so let's take a look at this now that we've got that packaging on the outside off of it. So we've got a nice shiny enameling on the outside, which is really nice. This one is black. And the bottom here says All-Clad cast iron 12-inch 30-centimeter skillet. And so even the handle has that same shiny enameling on the outside of it. And on the inside, we don't have that. This is more of a rougher texture. It feels more like cast iron, what you would feel like it's on there, but it is enameled on the inside. It just doesn't have that glossy enameling like it does on the outside. Now, this is really nice how wide this is on the outside. If you've got mittens on and you need this helper handle, you'll be able to get your mittens in there. Some of the ones that I've seen have got really small helper handles here on the side, and you can't hardly get a mitten on there. And if you're picking up something as heavy as these cast iron skillets are and you've got food in them, you definitely want something that you can get a grip on and handle it. So I really like how wide this handle is here on the side. Now the handle over here on the other side, it feels like they're stainless steel ones that they've got. It has that same kind of texture to it. It's got a rounded bottom and a flat surface on the top. So it fits in my hand really nicely. You would definitely need both the helper handle and the other handle here to hold it. We'll get a weight of that here in just a second and see how much that weighs. But it definitely has the weight of a normal cast iron skillet. So now let's measure from the outside here to from the handle to the other helper handle here and get a measurement for that for you. And that's showing 22 inches across, and that's about 56 centimeters. And we'll measure the actual surface here of the actual skillet itself. From the outside to the outside of the skillet is showing 12 inches. So they're getting the 12 inches on the outside here. And again, that's roughly about 30 centimeters. And the depth of that, let's get a good measurement of that. I'll hold it up here so you can see it on the side. That's 2 inches deep, or that's about 5 centimeters on that. So that is really nice where that is. Now the handle on that, let's get a measurement on that so you can have that. That's about 7 3/4 inches on that, or about 20 centimeters on that one as well. So that looks like a really nice size on that. I'm going to get my scale out here and we will give this a weigh. Now I'm not going to measure the lid because that would be the same size as the top here, is 12 on that. So I'm going to go ahead and get my scale up here and we'll measure the weight of this. I'm going to put it in pounds and ounces first, and we'll put that on here and we'll see what it weighs. Now that says that is just a little over 9 pounds. It's 9 pounds and 1 ounce on that. So that is a nice heavy weight on that. And let's measure the lid and see what the lid weighs on that. I'm gonna turn it upside down so I can keep it on my scales. That's 1 pound and almost 4 ounces on that. So now let's measure it and get it for our metric users out there. So in grams, the lid is 567 grams. And we'll measure the grams for the bottom of this skillet here. So it's 4,119 grams, or about a little over 4 kilograms on that. So that is a nice weight on that as well. I'm not going to be cooking in this today, but we'll be using this in a future video, so definitely come back and check that out. I wanted to show you what this looked like, and let me know in the comment section if you've ever had any of the cast iron skillets that All-Clad has, or is this the first time you've ever seen one too? I was kind of shocked when I saw this, that they had cast iron, because I was always so used to their All-Clad products, their stainless steel products that they've got. So definitely leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And also by putting here on the top, you can see that they've got some nice pour spouts on those. So let's take a look at that. After I put the lid on it, I saw that where that was on it. So it's got a good left and a right hand pour spout on that. So if you're left-handed, you can use it in either direction, or right hand. It would be really nice for that. It's nice that they put that on there instead of just having it on one side. So that was a good thought of that. So I'm going to put the lid back on it again. Now that lid fits on that really nicely on that. There's no, I don't feel it. It does feel a little bit of a wobble to it. It's not sitting on there flat, but it's got some openings here on the side where these pour spouts are, but it fits on there really good. And maybe if I moved it around, I might be able to get it to fit on there, and it just took a little bit of moving around on there. So it's got a nice fit on there. I don't feel anything on the sides here. It's right on the top where that is. So if you run your hand down it, it's flush with where that is on the outside. So that is really nice. I hope you like this content. And if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, leave me a comment. I want to hear what you think about this. And again, this is my first impression of it. I wanted to show you what was in the box. We'll come back and we'll do some cooking in it and see how it works. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.